What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to finally be able to share with you guys this 1984 SR5 Toyota 4Runner. This has been about a 4-year frame off, every nut and bolt restoration. Every nut and bolt on this vehicle was taken apart, replaced and or cleaned and Cerakoted, then put back together. Everything mechanically is fully rebuilt. Axles, transmission, transfer case, full rebuild on the engine with a little bit of upgrades, some upgrades to the transaxles as well. We got up front, we got Land Cruiser calipers and rotors, along with the 1-inch bore master cylinder and the V6 brake booster. Engine wise, we got a dual row timing chain, bored over just slightly. We've got completely Cerakoted engine, which I'll show you guys shortly. But overall, this thing turned out awesome, guys. I'm super happy with it. This one, again, like I said, this is an 84, so the very first year of the 4Runner. It is an SR5 model. I was able to track down a new old stock Owens front brush guard, also some new old stock amber driving lights, fog lights, whatever you want to call them. Overall, I'm super happy with the results. My kind of idea for this from the beginning was for it to be a kind of like a dealer optioned model that would have been in like the showroom with a few dealer options. So we got a 31-inch Yokohama tire, the Geolander, good AT, some Bilstein shocks, obviously the brush guard with the lights, and then these chrome tow mirrors, and these are actually the original ones to the truck that the dealer installed. But overall, man, this thing turned out so killer. Just give you guys a little look at some of the close-ups. And like I said, the full undercarriage and engine, everything's been Cerakoted. This was a full frame off, every nut and bolt. Got the chrome down the rockers. Got the chrome wheel arch moldings. Those are all original to the truck. They did have a few dings and dents in them, but I was able to hammer and dolly them and then file them and polish them back. These are original wheels, SR5 chrome. Mud flaps all done up. These are new old stock lenses with the chrome trim for the SR5. This is the original rear bumper. It was chrome when it came from the factory. It was just a little too damaged for me to be able to fix it and re-chrome it. So I fixed it as best I could, body worked it, and did a flat black. I think it turned out pretty good. Fully restored emblems. Again, with this one, normally the tops are a flat, but I've always thought that when you see the 4Runners with the flat tops, kind of makes them always look like a truck with a camper shell. This one, I went with the gloss on this one. I think it gives it just a little more classy look. Makes it look a little more like a modern SUV. Again, all these windows came out. The slide windows came out and the frames were all powder coated. New rubbers for the slide windows. Redid all the L trims. These are all redone. Pretty much, I mean, there's nothing on this thing that wasn't gone through. Try to give you guys a little shot of some of the undercarriage. Bear with me, there might be a little bit of dust on it, but you can see everything's been gone through. Drive lines, transfer case, transmission. Again, all the axles, everything was rebuilt with some upgraded stuff. Marlin Crawler makes some nice upgrades for them. Just better seals, bushings, that kind of stuff. There's the rear as well. Full size spare with the chrome SR5 wheel. Take you guys to the engine. Got the SR5 interior. 1 year only, 84. The SR5 stripes. And there it is, guys, the fully Cerakoted 22R. Got to give a big shout out AVR Customs for the hood struts. Great product, love it. So all new VIN tags, custom made all around. A lot of times when people restore these, they either mask them, and a lot of times they're just super faded. When they mask them, it leaves a hard paint edge. Same thing up here. But yeah, every nut and bolt in here. Like I said before, the 1-inch bore, V6 sized brake booster. This is not greased. This is actually restored with a special product that I use. We did go with the V6 radiator as well. Just overall super clean rig. I'm very happy with how it turned out. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna end the video there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment if you guys want to see anything else on it. Thanks again, and I appreciate you.